one of the greatest reservoirs of life on Earth. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to Splash Safari! Alright, now the show will begin in a few short minutes, but before that, there's a few gentle reminders, okay? Now, first of all, those of you who are seated in the first few rows, please be warned that you are seated in the splash zone. There is a hot tub that you will get wet, okay? For those of you back there, if you do want to get wet, come on down. There's a lot of space over there and over there. And once you are seated, you are not allowed to go away, okay? And please don't use your baby to shield you. Alright, now last but not least, right after the show, when you're leaving the amphitheater, please do it in an orderly manner. Can we do that? Alright, now with that said, let's see if my sea lion is ready. You heard that? My sea lion is ready. Well, I am ready. Even my soundman up there is ready. But the thing is everyone ready for the show? Come on, I'm sure you can do better than that. Is everyone ready for the show? Yeah! Let's go to the western coast of United States. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to meet our California Sea Lion! Welcome you to Splash Safari! Right now, sea lions, they are fascinating creatures. They can live both in water and on land. They can swim very far as as America. That's about 40 kilometers per hour, and they can dive to death. They can You hold on. Good morning, Raven.
Morning, Sunny.
I'm trying to speak to them, and you go, what's happening?
Sunny, Thiago is upset with you. Alright, calm down.
He's upset with me, but why?
You mentioned all the information you are saying about sea lions, you miss out something important.
Oh, well, ladies and gentlemen, I feel to mention that sea lions, especially Thiago over here, is intelligent and good looking. How shy are you? Alright, now let's show them how strong those flippers are. River, flippers down. Now for those of you who did that, get your cameras ready one more time. Alright, now, many people mistook sea lions for another creature, for the true seal. So right now, Thiago is going to show you how a true seal looks on land. Hold on. He's just taking a dip. Alright. Now we're gonna show you how a true seal looks on land and how a true seal moves on land. Now sea lions are much more versatile than that. Right here is going to show you a few moves with a speed. And a little bit of a dance over there. Hickety hop. There you go. Alright, now you have seen how strong those slippers are. Do you want to see how fast he can swim? Come on, you want to see how fast he can swim? Alright, Tiago, let's go. Let's show them how fast you can swim. Raven, what's happening? How come today he got a lot of complain? This one what? Singapore Sea Lion.
Suddenly he mentioned he's a bit uncomfortable.
About what?
See, earlier on when he went into the pool,
Uh-huh.
he saw something big, something scary.
They saw something big and scary in the pool, but I already checked the pool. There's nothing big and scary. Do you all see anything big and scary in the pool? No, right? Never mind. Let me check again, okay? Nothing this side. Nothing this side. Look at that. He doesn't trust me. He also wants to check. Come on, Tiago. There's nothing big in the pool. Let's show them how far. A shot. If there's a shot, he'll have you for breakfast. Come on. Let's show some speed. And with his streamlined body, a belly slide. Ho ho! All right, now focus your attention to our trainer Raven. What he has got there is called a ball target. Now what Diego is going to do is going to jump in the water, lift up, and touch the ball. Now you guys have been warned, okay? Alright now, sea lions, they have been used by the US Navy SEALs for search and rescue mission. So right now, we are going to show you how to do that, alright? In the water. Alright, now Tiago has been practicing this move and he wants to show it off to you. This is called the corkscrew. their eyes in the water. Now that was cool, but let's slow things down a little bit right now, alright? Now you have seen how strong those flippers are, and you have seen how fast he can swim. So right now, we are going to show you how intelligent the sea lion is. Hold on. Taking a little bit of a dip over here. Alright. Now, so what's going to happen is that Raven is going to place a juicy piece of fish right in front of Tiago. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you know, sea lions, they cannot resist fish. Now, Tiago can see the fish. He can smell the fish. He can almost taste the fish. Yum, yum, yum. But, he is not going to take that fish until he hears a signal from his trainer, which is, I repeat, which is a single clap. Now you all can try to clap as much as you want to distract him. Come on, let's try. Wait. Sorry, hold on. I forgot. I did mention one single clap, didn't I? Hold on. Let's do this together, okay? On the count of 3, I want everybody to clap once together. Can we do that? Alright. Hands up. I haven't counted to 3. I threw you inside the pool. 1, 2, 3. Alamak. Some too fast, some too slow, some very slow. Sleeping. You try that again. Hands up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You are so easy to train. Sorry, no fish for you. Alright, Raven order. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's intelligence and self-control. Now the reason why he did not take that fish is because he knows he's going to get a whole lot more for a job well done. Really awesome, but now it's time to get serious. Right now, Tiago has a few ideas of what we can do to fight the ocean's deadliest monster. Now, I'm not talking about killer whales, I'm not talking about sharks, I'm talking about plastic. Every year, millions of animals die because of plastic. They swallow, they choke, and they die. So please, do not litter into the ocean. Now besides that, fishing lines or even fishing nets that are left behind by fishermen, they get entangled onto the flippers of the sea lion. And what happens? Damage is done. Damage such as a broken flipper. Now that is how a sea lion moves with a broken flipper, and that really hurts. Besides that, fishing nets that are left behind, they get entangled, they drown, and they die. they die. And then they want to come up. You know why? Because he wants a big round of applause. Louder. There you go. Then we kick off. So right here, right now, Tiago wants to tell us that we have to recycle. So instead of using plastic bags, we can use canvas bags. Canvas bags such as these. There you go. Now canvas bags like this, they are very strong and they can be recycled. Now for those of you who want to buy a canvas bag like this, you can just go to our retail shop and get one for yourself, alright? Now besides that, he also wants to tell us that we have to use our own reusable water bottles. Now, the Singapore Zoo supports people who bring their own water bottle. We have water fountain all over the zoo for you to fill up your own reusable water bottle just like that. Alright? Now, show of hands, who brought your own water bottle? You guys are the best. Alright, now talking about bottles right now, Tiago is going to show us what we can do with unused plastic bottle. We pick up that plastic bottle, we go to the nearest recycling bin center, and we bin it. So we have to reuse, and recycle. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, sea lions have been seen doing this in the wild to escape from predators such as killer whales and sharks. This is called porpoising. Take care, have a good day at the Singapore Zoo, and goodbye.